In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name. After creating your Facebook page, later you have a change of mind and you want to change the Facebook page name. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile picture and tap on it. Then continue to scroll down and tap on pages. Then you have a list of all the pages that you currently have. In this case, I'm going to tap on content comes, which is the first one. Allow it a bit of moment to finish switching to the page, and then I'll scroll down a bit and make sure I'll select on that content comes. As you correctly see, the account is switching to content comes, and now I'm officially on the page. So in order for me to change the page name, all I have to do is to proceed to the top right corner where I see these three lines and tap on it. Then on this interface, I'll scroll down a bit until I locate settings and privacy and tap on it, and then continue to tap on settings. Then make sure to tap on page settings. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of options. Continue to tap on name. In order for you to change the page name, all you have to do is to tap on this box and make the necessary changes that you want to make. After that, you then proceed to tap on review change. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. If you are okay with all this, you can then tap on review change. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.